Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you have some wall repair that needs to get done, this spackle is really going to come in handy.
This is from Dap, and this is an interior and exterior spackle. It is made from acrylic. This is a 1 quart container, but you can get it in a bunch of different sizes depending on how much work you have to do. So we keep this on hand for all kinds of little repairs. So this door got a dent in it, and I was able to quickly and easily repair it. So what I love about this spackle is that it tells you when it's ready to sand and paint, so you don't have to wonder if it's fully dry. You have this purpley pink color out of the container, and you go ahead and apply it in a thin layer, just as much as you need. You don't want to overuse it because then you'll have to sand a lot. So you just put as much as you need, and you can see as it dries, it turns white. So the center part had a little bit more to fill that hole, so it took a little bit longer to dry. But once it was done, I was able to sand and paint, and you can barely tell that there was a dent there. And since I am a home DIYer, I think this was a job well done.
So that is what we love about this Dap DryDex spackle, and that's my point of view.